If you thought the Mini 5 Pro was the peak of drone engineering, think again. Rumors from within DJI's development lab suggest they are about to do the unthinkable. We are talking about a sub-250-gram drone that doesn't just compete with the Mavic. This Series It might actually replace it. Welcome back to TapTech. Today, we are diving deep into the leaked specs, the groundbreaking 6K sensor, and the release window for the highly anticipated DJI Mini 6 Pro. If you're planning on buying a drone in 2026, you need to watch this. The entire video, because the rules of the sky are about to change. Leaked internal documents, patent filings, and supply chain rumors. The puzzle of the DJI Mini 6 Pro is finally coming together. While everyone is still buzzing about the Mini 5 Pro, DJI is already testing its successor, and it is a beast. We've gathered every authentic detail, from the new Aero-Flow carbon fiber chassis to the revolutionary O5 transmission system. Stay around until the end, because I'm going to reveal the one specific feature that makes the Mini 6 Pro a Mavic Killer and why it's causing a stir with the FAA. For years, the 249-gram limit was a cage. It forced DJI to compromise on sensor size, battery life, and cooling. But with the Mini 5 Pro finally bringing a 1-inch sensor to the table, the Mini 6 Pro is set to take that momentum and sprint. According to recent supply chain reports out of Shenzhen, the Mini 6 Pro is moving away from traditional plastics and experimenting with a high-tensile carbon fiber frame. This isn't just for show. This Aero-Flow design allows for better heat dissipation, which is crucial because this drone is rumored to be the first Mini to support 6K
video at 60 frames per second.
The thermal management system has been completely redesigned using a microfan assembly that weighs 30% less than the previous generation while moving twice the volume of air. This ensures that even when you are pushing the bitrate to its absolute limit in the summer heat of Florida or the deserts of Dubai, sensor remains at an optimal operating temperature, preventing that dreaded thermal throttling that has plagued small form factor cameras for a decade. Let's talk about that camera. We've seen the 1-inch sensor on the current flagship, but the Mini 6 Pro is expected to debut a custom-designed Hasselblad CMOS sensor. This isn't just a rehash. Looking at 14 stops of dynamic range and a variable aperture of $f, $1.8, $2 f11, for professional creators in the US and Europe, this is the holy grail. It means you can control your exposure in midair without swapping ND filters every 5 minutes. Imagine shooting a cinematic sunset in the Swiss Alps or the neon streets of New York with the same level of control you'd have on a ground-based cinema camera. The processing engine behind this lens is the new Cinecore 4.0, which allows for internal recording of ProRes 422 HQ. This effectively bridges the gap between consumer drones and professional cinema rigs. For the first time, a drone that fits in your palm can produce files that sit perfectly next to footage from an Alexa or a RED in a professional color grading suite. But here's where it gets interesting. The AI Director chip. Sources suggest the Mini 6 Pro will feature an onboard neural processing unit specifically for color grading. You'll be able to output 10-bit D-Log-M, footage that is essentially pre-graded using AI to match the color science of a Hollywood production. This system analyzes the scene in real time, identifying skin tones, sky gradients, and foliage to ensure that the natural colors are preserved while giving you that cinematic pop right out of the camera. One of the biggest pain points for drone pilots in dense urban environments. Think London, Tokyo, or Los Angeles' signal interference. The Mini 6 Pro is rumored to be the launch platform for DJI O5. This isn't just a small range boost. O5 is expected to utilize a tri-band system, including the 6 GHz spectrum, providing a nearly unhackable, lag-free 1080p 120fps live feed even in the most congested RF environments. We are talking about a theoretical range of 30 kilometers. But more importantly, a stable connection when you are flying behind structures or through heavy foliage. The latency has been dropped to an incredible 18 milliseconds, making the flight experience feel like an extension of your own central nervous system. If you've ever used ActiveTrack, you know it's good, but it's not perfect. It can still get confused by thin power lines or complex branch structures. The Mini 6 Pro is reportedly integrating a miniaturized LiDAR system similar to what we saw in the Mavic 4 Pro but scaled down for the sub 250 grams class. This Vision-Core AI will allow for 360-degree obstacle avoidance in near total darkness. This means follow-me modes at night are no longer a recipe for a crash. Whether you're mountain biking at dawn or capturing a car chase at dusk, the Mini 6 Pro's AI will map the environment in real time, creating a 3D bubble of safety around the aircraft. The system can track up to 20 different objects simultaneously, predicting their path of travel to ensure the drone never loses its subject, even if they disappear briefly behind a building or a dense group of trees. Now, let's address the elephant in the room: battery life. Usually adding more sensors and more processing power kills the battery. However, the Mini 6 Pro is rumored to ship with a new solid-state battery chemistry. Those high-density cells are lighter and more efficient. Early leaks suggest a standard flight time of 48 minutes, with the Intelligent Flight Battery Plus pushing that well over the 55-minute mark. For a drone that fits in your jacket pocket, that is unheard of. This means more time capturing the shot and less time worrying about the return-to-home beep. This new battery technology also performs significantly better in cold weather, a massive win for creators in Canada, Scandinavia, or the northern U.S. states who often see their flight times slashed by 40% in the winter. Why does this matter? So much for our U.S. and premium market audience. Because of the 250-gram weight limit in the U.S., the U.K., and the EU, staying under this weight means you bypass many of the strict commercial registration requirements and Category A restrictions. The Mini 6 Pro is designed to be the ultimate loophole. It gives you professional, cinema-grade 6K footage without the legal headache of flying a heavy rig. It is the pro tool for the independent creator. Furthermore, the remote controller is getting a massive overhaul. The rumored DJI Pro 2 will feature an integrated 5G SIM slot, allowing you to live stream directly to YouTube or Twitch in 4000 without needing a smartphone or a Wi-Fi hotspot. This opens up entirely new possibilities for breaking news, live events, and real-time social media engagement. So when can you get your hands on it? Traditionally, DJI follows a 12 to 80-month cycle. With the Mini 5 Pro having launched recently, industry insiders are pointing toward a late 2026 release for the Mini 6 Pro. As for pricing, expect a premium. The standard RCN for bundle is expected to start around $899, while the Fly More combo with the new RC Pro Mini featuring a 2000 nit screen could climb to $1,299. It's an investment, but for what you're getting, it effectively renders the $2,000 drones of yesterday obsolete. The Mini 6 Pro is also expected to introduce a revolutionary modular accessory port. This isn't just for a simple searchlight or a speaker. You're talking about a standardized interface that could support third-party sensors, such as multispectral cameras for agriculture or thermal imaging modules for search and rescue, all while remaining within a manageable weight profile. This modularity ensures that the Mini 6 Pro isn't just a toy or a filmmaker's tool, but a versatile platform for industry professionals who need a portable solution that can be deployed in seconds. The folding mechanism has also been reinforced with titanium hinges to ensure longevity. Even with thousands of deployment cycles, the Mini 6 Pro looks like the drone we've all been dreaming of. It's a pocket-sized powerhouse that refuses to compromise. But what do you think? Is 6K video on a mini drone overkill? Or is it exactly what your workflow needs? Drop a comment below. I read every single one. If you found this breakdown helpful, smash that like button and subscribe to TapTech for the fastest updates in the world of technology. DJI is clearly pushing the limits of physics with the Mini 6 Pro, and we'll be here to test it the second it hits the market. If you're still on the fence about whether to wait for the 6 Pro or pick up a deal on the Mini 5 Pro right now, you need to see our comparison video. It breaks down the price-to-performance ratio for every DJI drone currently on the shelf. Thanks for watching TapTech, stay tech-savvy, and we'll see you in the skies.